write no a a value here no. So sino ang aton nga butangan 40 ang freight train no. So the freight train is 40 and then the other value no 2 hours later no a passenger train travels at 60 miles per hour no. So 60 ning isa no. Sino ang una halin no? Sino ang una halin sa iya destination, iya nga station? Sino ang una halin? Ang freight train no. So if the passenger train no, leaves at X, ang time sa paghalin niya is X no, or ang traveling time niya is X. The other train no, ang other train must be no ahead by 2 hours no. So ang isaya ang iya traveling time is merely X. But the other train no, since ahead na saya ang freight train, so may 2 hours na siya nga advantage no. But usually no, hinay lagan niya no. Na ano ni ila situation, are they overtaking or are they no colliding? Ang aton mga distance problem usually no, ang mamala ng iya condition no, are they ma-meet pala sila nga duha ma-collide no, or are they overtaking or are they moving in opposite directions no. But anyway, how to get the distance no, ang distance is merely speed times time no. So kung kaunta di ang distance traveled by the freight train, its product is no 40 times no X plus 2 no. Amo nang iya nga distance traveled. Ang imo naman niya nga passenger train no is 60 times 60x no. Now if they will be overtaking each other, so laban-laban may isa ka train nga nauna no. Tapos may isa nga nagalagas. But we know that after a while no, after some time, most likely malabutan na sila nga duwa no. Ang ining una nga train no was definitely ahead, pero eventually kay hinay blagan niya. So ang isa na yan bag-ulan na naghalin, pero eventually no, as this one runs slower, malagas isang isa. And after a while no, mapalarias na sila kalay matupong na sila kay ma-overtake na ni ang dasig nga train no. So you will notice nga ang distance of train 1 is equal sa distance ng train number 2 no. So the basic understanding there is that distance 1 no, must be equals to distance 2 no. But how do you get distance 1? So distance 1, if distance 1 is the distance traveled by the freight train, so ang distance na travels ang freight train is 40 times x plus 2 no. Amo na ang values ang distance 1. Ano yung distance 2 no? Distance 2 is 60 no. 60x no. Okay, so therefore no, if we will find x no, so you'll have here 40x plus 80 no equals 60x no. And therefore now you'll have 40x minus 60x no equals negative 80. So you have negative 20 . Now, ano ni kaniyang value ng x? What is this value x? Is this time or is it speed?
Time, sir.
It's time. No? So, kung i-divide ang 80 by 20, pila bilin?
4.
Okay, so ang aton nga time, no? The time for the second train to overtake, no, is that it will happen, no? After 4 hours, no? So x is 4 hours, no? So So kung may exact time na dami na, let's say naghalin sila at 7 a.m. So 4 hours after, no, overtikan niya ang ikaduwa nga train, no? Something like that, no? So again, no, galing kaya ang answer tadi, maybe no X lang. No? How long before the passenger train, no, overtakes the freight train? So meaning 4 hours no after nga naghalin siya sa iyang rail track, no? Or kung ang basiya nato ng freight train, so 6 hours after, no? Kay may 2 hours siya nga advantage. So 6 hours after naka-overtake saya ang train nga naglagas sa iya, no? Okay, do you have a question for number 3? Okay, so this is our expression for this one. So, so here is our equation here. No? So we have eventually no, x equals 4. No? Okay, mixture. No? Ang mixture naman niya, usually you may have here no, containers. Commonly na may mga containers ikaw. And you will be mixing the containers together. And ang imo goal is to come up no, with a certain no, concentration. Amo na ni ang concentration sang final nga object na. Okay? So na. So you'll be mixing two things here, no? And then eventually, no, it will come up with a certain mixture, no? Okay, so one is we are mixing together no a 6%. We have here a 6% solution. A mixture containing 6% boric acid is to be mixed no with 2 quarts no, of a mixture which is 15% boric acid. So mayara ka 6 kag mayara ka 15%, no? Ang gusto mga result is that no, you will have no a 12% outcome, no? Kung mo gusto ng outcome, you will have a 12% no na solution, no? So pila aton nga kwaon diri sa 6% nga ini, no? So maybe kay way ta kabalo, maybe we will say nga x amount ang aton kwaon da, no? Now ini ko ng 15%, this is already 2 quarts, no? Ang iyang volume bala. So therefore, if you mix an x in a 2 quart no nga container, pila nandi karon ang total naton nga volume? What is the total volume na?
Answer.
Pila ang total volume?
X plus 2, sir.
So, x plus 2 or 2 plus x no mayara kada karon nga total volume no nga x plus 2, no? Kaya ang volume additive mo na iya. Now, what will we do with this percentage, no? Kagangining volume, no? To be able to get a concentration, usually, no, ginahimo ta mga percent nga decimal, no? So pila ang decimal equivalent sa 6%?
0.06.
Okay, so pwede na siya nato ng nga 0.06, no? Now, usually what we do, we multiply it with x, no? Then i-add ta ang 0.15. Multiply ta siya sa volume nga 2 quarts, no? And then that's equals to 0.12, no? Times another x plus 2, no? Okay? Sama na iya value. Now, manotice na kung galing, kung decimal, medyo sometimes no, medyo masabad siya nga ideal. So, since they are all no in percent, mas nami pa nga himo mo na lang siya nga whole number. Kaya kung i-multiply mo siya by 100, no, all of them, mahimo man siya nga 6, 15, kag 12. No? So why not? Gamito mo na lang ang whole number in multiplying the value. No? Okay, so mayara iba na, ginadiretso na lang nila a whole number. Anyway, kung decimal siya, kag i-multiply mo by 100, ang mo manigyapon go is dalom. No? So, again, eventually you'll be combining all the x values. No? So you'll have your 6x. I-minus mo na dalaban-laban ang 12x sa piyak na side. And you will have, no, if you transpose 15 times 2 nga negative 30, pag i-add mo ang 12 times 2 nga 24, no? So you will eventually have here negative 6x, no? And then you have negative 30 plus 24, no? So you'll have negative 6, no? Okay, so therefore, no, if you divide negative 6x by negative 6 by negative 6, no? So you'll have here x equals 1, no? So meron ka lang karon nga 1/4, no? So 1/4 ang gamiton mo sa 6%, i-mix mo di siya sa 15%, no? So if 1/4 will be taken from 6% and added to 2/4, may mo siya nga 12% solution ka na, no? With a total volume of 3/4, no? So amo nang total volume sa aton mixture ka na. Okay, so this is how we usually, no, solve problems on mixture, no? So usually I use the boxes, no, but others would use this one, no? We have here a similar approach probably, no? Okay, do you have a question, by the way? Sige, no? So I think we have their age, we have distance, no? We have can you try for me, no, these values? Okay, let's say we have number 1, no? And Aribe, try to rin, no? Sige, everyone, no? Can we try the following numbers? So our answer for number 1 is 23. How about number 2? How do you write number 2? So we can represent the 3, no? There are 3 consecutive even integers. So basically the 3 even integers are x, no? Then anong dasan? X plus 2, ang muning next number. And x plus 4, no? So mayroon ako no 3 consecutive even integers such that twice the first, no? Kung dubliyon, kung naman ko ng tatlo ka integer, no? Kung dubliyon ko na ang first, no? Twice the first, no? Sorry, no? So let's just have the comma, no? Ang malaning tatlo naton ka number, anay, no? These are the even integers. And what will we do with the even integers, no? Starting with the smallest. So twice the smallest equals what? It is equals, no? Twice the first is 20 more than the second. So ang second number is x plus 2. So 20 more is wala, no? Amo ng 20 more yan. So x plus 22 niya, no? So therefore, if you will solve for x, no? Or I mean, no? 2x minus x is equals to 22. So ang first number natin is 22. That's the first even number. Then ang dason is 24, no? 26. No? So the numbers are 22, 24, 26. Now, how do we show nga sakto gid man, no? So kung i-double na to ng ikaduha, what's twice what's twice of the first? 44. Twice the first, no?
Yes, sir.
Ay, 20 more than the second. Gali, no? Tama. Sakto, gali. So, sakto So, if you double 44, no? Duga nga, mula ni 20, ang 24, 44 man siya. So, I think this is the answers, no? Then, how about number 3, no? Number 3 is, how do we solve number 3? So, may ara, this si may father, no? There's a father here, no? And there is, si J. Ano ang balik kay sa father yan sa kay J, no? What? Siguro laban-laban si ang father yan mas tigulang na yan, no? Father must be older, no? So, since ating statement nga, J's father is twice as old as J, no? So, amo nila present age, no? The sentence there is present tense, no? So, ang father ko, no, is 2x, no? As of now, ang father is 2x compared sa kay J na x lang, no? Okay, then next, no? In 20 years, so meaning sa future ni in 20 years, no? How do we make now sang edad nila in the future 20 years from now, no? What will we do with 2x?
2x plus 20, sir.
20, no? Maad lang kita sang 20 years, no? And then si J Subong, kung x si J Subong, pila ya edad 20 years from now?
X plus 20.
X plus 20 kaman kay J, no? Okay? So, din ang ano atong gamiton nga sentence. What sentence are we going to use, no? For this one, no? Ang present nga edad nila ang future, no? So, in number 3, ang aton usaron ko, no, ang 20 years, no? So, in 20 years, so dili kita mabase sa future. J, no, ang edad ko na ni J will be, no, 2/3 sa edad sang iya tatay, no? So, ang edad ni J right now, no, is x plus 20. Ang ini nga iyang edad, no? Ang iyang edad ni x plus 20 is equal to 2/3, no? Sang edad sang iya tatay, no? Ilang edad sang iya tatay 20 years from now, no?
2x plus 20.
Plus 20, no? So 2/3 ang edad sang father niya in the future, no? Amo nang edad ni J sa future man, no? Kaya again, no? Ang iya basis na di ang 20 years na, no? So ang question is, are we looking for their age in the future or their age right now, no? Ano atong ginapangita? Ang edad nila subong or
Right now, sir.
Present.
ang present, no? Kayang aton the verb is, no? How old is each now, no? So ang ginapangita ta ang x, no? Ang present age. Now, paano tayo mag-deal kung may denominator, de? Are we going to multiply the fraction to the whole value on the right or ato ni multiply ang 3 sa left side? What will be the best method? So, para madula ang denominator, de, i-multiply mo na lang ang 3, no? 3 sa left side, no? Okay? And what is left is ang 2. Multiply ito sa 2x, no? Plus 20, no? Okay? So, therefore, we'll have here 3x, no? Plus 60 equals 4x plus 40, no? So, eventually, now we'll have 3x minus 4x equals 40 minus 60. So, you'll have negative x equals negative 20. So, x therefore must be 20, no? So, sino ang 20? Anong value ng 20? What percent?
Age ni
Amo ng age ni J, no? So, ang iya father is, how old is the father?
40, sir. 40.
No? Ang father, 40. Si J ang 20 years old, na? Okay? Now, how about ang number 6? No? How about number 6? A service station checks Mr. Gittelboro's radiator, no, and finds it contains 30% antifreeze. If the radiator holds 10 quarts, no, and is full, how much must be drained off and replaced by pure anti-freeze in order to bring it up to 50% anti-freeze so ang 30 himuon ta nga 50% so ang ginobra nagdugang o nagbuhin